Since the dawn of time, humanity has been defined by its innovations. Today's frontier is vast, encompassing artificial intelligence, hybrid programs, and decentralized platforms. In this grand tapestry of technology came forth Innovation Factory, fueled by dreams and aspirations from every corner of the globe. We craft technological marvels, turning challenges into opportunities. Our innovations ripple out, touching lives, industries, and ecosystems. Because at its core, technology is about people, connection, growth. We look beyond borders and barriers, envisioning a world united by innovation. Every dreamer, every creator, every visionary adds to our collective odyssey. Step into our journey as we venture into tomorrow, a world sculpted by ideas and innovation. Innovation Factory, where dreams meet technology.